Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. So I decided to stop and use the restroom down in the gym, and I have on no foundation today, but I'm getting ready to order Minted. They have a duo. You get the foundation and the brush, and then the primer is 20% off today. And I've been wanting to try their primer, so I'm going to order the primer today. These are my eyebrows. They're okay. So I use my pen pal today to do my eyebrows, and I use the shade black. And I usually use dark brown, but I went in with shade black today for some reason. Okay, so this video was supposed to be about me taking the lashes off and using the cotton swab, the pre-moistened cotton swabs that came with the product to demonstrate how they come off, but I didn't bring them. In fact, I think I may have lost. I put the whole package into my bag and I took it home yesterday because I was going to film it yesterday, but then you remember, if you watch my video, I said something about, oh, you know what, I'm going to sleep in them. And then I'm going to see how they do, because a lot of people, they'll go get individuals and they keep those individuals on for a while, I don't know how long, but the individuals are like extensions. So what I did was, as you can see right here, this one is kind of coming up a little bit. And I have to keep pressing it. And I don't know if, I think the glue got wet because I had to, normally what I do is when I wash my face in the morning or at night, I just get a handful of water and just splash it all over my face, rinse my face out real good, and have my face soaking wet. And then I get my cleanser, put it in the palm of my hands, rub both hands together, lather up, and just rub the cleanser all over my face with both hands. And then I do that twice. Now, before I actually use the cleanser, I'll use a makeup wipe, so I get the majority of the product off with 1 or 2 makeup wipes. So that's how I do when I'm getting ready to cleanse my face. So to this morning, well, last night, I just got a makeup wipe and I wiped all that foundation off that was from the Flex foundation. Okay, so of course some of it had rubbed off with the mask, but I still had plenty of it, especially on my forehead. So I just cleansed my face with my facial cleanser, used my rose water toner, used my vitamin C, came to work. I also put my mud musky mask up under my eyes, and it said let it sit 47 minutes, then wash it off. So I have to go through my whole facial, washing my face and cleansing my face first. Then I have to put that treatment under my eyes. And so I go ahead and go finish the rest of my cleansing the rest of my body. And so after I cleanse the rest of my body, then I just go in and wipe that product off. And it's called, I think it's called Circles. And it's the brand is Mud Musky or something like that. And I think I showed it to you guys. Maybe not. I have to show it to you guys. And so after that, I just go ahead and put my vitamin C on after that. And so then when I come to work, because my intention is to do videos either before I clock in or usually on my break at 9 o'clock. I go ahead and put my Ella Miss up under my eyes for dark circles. And I let that be soaking in. And then I'll put my primer from Laura Mercier. It's a mattifying primer. Okay, and then I'll put my, especially if I'm going to use foundation, I'll go ahead and put the Versace primer on, because it's supposed to be mattifying. So that's all I have on my skin today. No foundation whatsoever. So I don't know why my up here is shining. It look like I got highlights up there. So I see why people do it now, but you know, see, like the natural highlight on your nose. So yeah, so hopefully tomorrow, hopefully it fell out of my bag at home. If it fell out of my bag on the public transit on the way to work, I'm not going to be able to demonstrate how to take these off. I'm just going to have to take them off. Of course, they're magnetic, so I can take them off and reattach them. But I slept in them last night. I had to take a makeup wipe and gently cleanse my eyelids, because I did have makeup on my eyelids. Just the concealer and all of that, so that you know, my eyelids can be just one shade, so that it can give me more of a natural look. So I had to get a makeup wipe and get in here real good, just like this, with the makeup wipe wrapped around my finger. And I just had to do this real carefully, real carefully, real carefully. Okay? And that's how I ended up getting the makeup off. Now, how did I get close to the lash? I do have a little bit of a fingernail tip. So when I wrapped the makeup wipe around my finger the second time, I took the tip part and then I turned my finger this way and I got as close to it as I could and just did like this without touching it. Now, of course, I did touch it a couple of times, especially as you can see in the corner, because it got wet. And I think once it gets wet, and that's with anything that's supposed to stick, it doesn't work anymore. So this eyelash right here really got wet. The glue, in fact, there's no glue up under this one on this side. I just keep pressing it down. Okay, so yeah, that's what happened. That's what had happened. And then I was going to record this morning, but lo and behold, when I went on my lunch break, right? Let me go sit down now that I've said that much. When I went on my lunch break, my morning break, sometimes this light is good over here, sometimes it's not. I don't know what be going on with the lighting situation with me. Okay, so on my morning break, some guy was in the break room having a personal conversation on his phone, which is fine. But he talked the entire time I was on my break. He was in there first. And he talked on the phone the entire time. And I also had some personal business that I needed to take care of and check into. So I was going to make a phone call right quick and then record right quick. And once I realized that I didn't have my Moxie Lash glue remover, I said, well, I'll just come in and talk like I'm doing now. And child, he talked during the whole time he was in there. So I couldn't record the video at all. But do y'all notice, is my hyperpigmentation getting better? Is my hyperpigmentation getting better? It can't be the skincare products that I'm using by Yolando. It can't. Because even the product that I use for the circles around the eyes, because I put it on my lashes too. On my eyelids too. It says within 4 to 7 days, you should see a difference. And it's supposed to assist with the wrinkles that are in this area. And most of my wrinkles are on this side right here. Most of my wrinkles are here. Everything else is smooth, but it has discoloration. Now, right here, see right here on this corner? Yes, very, 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 very dark. But, you know, I just, I don't know, I get in the mood where I want to do the makeup and all that kind of stuff. And like every now and then you're going to see me do lashes. Lashes are not my thing. I want to try opulent, because that's a medical doctor. She's an African American woman, and she have magnetic lashes too, but I think hers is expensive. Ace Beauté, they have magnetic lashes. I think I ordered magnetic. Did I order some from Ace Beauté? I don't think I ordered their magnetic lashes because they too flamboyant. Like this right here, for most people, this is nice, you know, and they are nice, wispy. They real airy, thin. You don't really see them too much, but you can, but can't. This is nice for most people, but still too for me, it may be a little bit too much. If they was like a little shorter, that would be great, but they fine. I still like them. So wearing magnetic lashes, you know, I can wear magnetic lashes all day, every day. Just get up in the morning, wash my face, do my facial routine, put my concealer and stuff on, and just put my lashes on and go on about my business. Go on about my business. Alright, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Thumbs up my video. Tell a friend about my channel. I love you for watching to the end. Bye. Also, I have my Pat McGrath, the new palette that everybody is talking about. I have that. I was going to swatch it. I was just going to chit chat a little bit about the lashes and swatch the palette. He mucked that up. He mucked that up for everybody. So now, and so I had to make a little errand, go on a little errand for lunch. So I can't do it now. And 15 minutes won't be really enough time to dedicate a video to that palette and do a look. So I guess we gotta wait till tomorrow. Okay, have y'all noticed that a lot of people are not outside as much as they used to be, or whatever? Okay, I work in an area where it's like a lot of non-African Americans, and they normally walk, jog, run, walk their dogs, all kind of stuff, right? I'm not really seeing that a lot like I used to, and it's getting cooler. One guy, he was in 80, 90 degree heat, running, jogging, turning red. Okay, I'm like, it's hot out here. I don't even want to come out here and walk, but I'm going to walk because, you know, sometimes it be cool in the building. Get out, get your little heat or whatever. And plus, I'm trying to exercise. So I've been taking these water pills when I was stressed out. And my blood pressure was, up a little bit. They gave me water pills. And told me to take half, which was like, once I broke it in half, it's like 12.5, right? And I've been taking those one a day. And yes, I have to go to the bathroom a lot, and I've been drinking water. So I think that may be helping my knee too. Like with, it's some inflammation in that knee, but my knee was feeling heavy, like it might be like some fluid or something on it. Cause sometimes when I walk, I could feel it like moving. I'm like, wow. And then the back of my knee would get tight. So yesterday when I was sitting downstairs recording what was supposed to be my final thoughts video, but I ended up doing another one on the way home. I pulled my pants leg up and I sat down on it's a big windowsill that come almost down to the floor. But excuse me, but you can kind of sit on the windowsill part, and the sun comes through there, and it's very, 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 very hot. And look, it usually be some guys in here working out. See, now that I don't come down here and record, ain't none of these people here no more. As soon as I start coming back in here, recording and all this kind of stuff, then watch. I don't know. But yeah. And the sun was hitting that knee. I was like, oh, that felt good. Cause it's kind of sore, like, achy. So let's get on the elevator. Are you going up? No. Good. Okay, so yeah. So this means sometimes when I put foundation on, it's like that foundation ain't doing nothing for you. And then when I look at myself without it, it's like you don't need no foundation. Just put that concealer around your eyes and on your eyes, through your eyebrows, and go on about your business. Thanks for watching.